flexing like the jack of all trades. Yeah. And shout out my dog Andre, he a jack of all trades.
I would like for you guys to meet the beast. This is my 2006 Dodge Ram 1500 with a 5.7 Hemi. The color is mineral gray. This is Dodge's 3rd gen truck. I want to show you guys all of the upgrades that I've done to this truck. Let's get started. Alright, so we're going to start off with the custom red tow bar hooks. This vehicle didn't come with a tow bar. I installed it. The video is at the top right hand corner. There's exactly 13 inches of space between the tow hooks. I found a 12-inch LED light bar with 10,000 lumens. I installed it between the tow hooks. I also installed dual color super bright LED fog lights. If you press the power button for the fog lights once, you get 6000K xenon white light. And if you press the button 3 times, on, off, on, you get 3000K amber yellow light. The fog light installation video is at the top right hand corner. I'm an artist, so I always have to add some type of custom graffiti. I installed a all black 18-inch 12-volt 150 decibel air horn with its own custom switch. The air horn installation video is at the top right hand corner. I also installed some black interior clear lens headlights with amber side markers. In the future, I'm thinking about upgrading to the Alpha Rex Lux headlights, but right now I'm happy with what I have. The headlight installation video is in the top right hand corner. Now this selection right here just adds so much character to the Ram. The Ronin Factory 50 caliber bullet short antenna in flat black. You gotta love it. So I ran into this problem. The truck looked so beefy, it made the mirrors look small. So I had to install new flip up heated tow mirrors. The installation video is in the right hand corner. So you know the beast gotta be surrounded by limo tint. 5% in the back, 5% on the driver's side, front and rear, 35% in the front. I had to be able to see, guys, I'm sorry. And 5% on the passenger side, front and rear. Now look at the smoke lens with black interior, horizontal lined LED tail lights with side marker. Coupled with the third brake light, it's an eye catcher. With the red V-style brake light and the 6000K cargo light makes for a beautiful set. Now I also installed smoke gray lens LED license plate lights with 18 LED lights each tag light. It puts out 65K white light. The tag light installation video is in the top right hand corner. Alright, so I know what you guys really want to know. You want to know what that Hemi's putting out. Well, this 5.7 liter V8 Hemi is putting out 345 horsepower, 375 foot-pounds of torque. It's coupled with a 5-speed automatic transmission. The towing capacity is 8,500 pounds. So you know what that means. You Chevy boys, I'm towing you uphill while you're in reverse, even though you got a Cummins, towing another Chevy on a 1985 old school steel trailer. Alright guys, so here they go. My Archon Off-Road Lincoln Gloss Black milled 5-lug wheels. These rims are 24 by 14 in size. The offset is minus 81 millimeter. And you know they're wrapped in Landspider Wild Track MT low profile mud tires. The size 35 by 12.5 R24. These things look so aggressive. Now I know you're saying, why put a 12.5 inch tire on a 14 inch wide rim? Because I like that curved in stretch tire look, and reducing the width of the tire helps with turns, stopping the tire from hitting the bumper and the fender. Now as you can see, this rim and tire combo protrudes from the body of the truck about 5.5 inches. giving it that stout look. Now I can't talk about the rims and pretend I didn't see that eye candy behind the rim. The custom painted red and black calipers. The calipers are custom painted red and the caliper bracket is custom painted black. There's a video at the top right hand corner before I installed the calipers onto the truck. I also installed 3-inch to 5-inch open tips to my exhaust. The installation video is at the top right hand corner. Now my truck is equipped with a 6-inch lift kit from Rough Country. As you can see, the cross member is painted. At the top right hand corner, I have a how-to video on how to do that. This 6-inch lift kit cost me $1,100, but it came with everything that you need to install this lift kit, even the instructions. But at the top right hand corner of this video, I have a link to a video that shows you the full installation front to back of this lift kit. I installed 2 red LED strips behind the grille with 24 lights apiece, with a grand total of 48 lights. I wanted that 5.7 Hemi to look like it was on fire. I also installed 26,000K pure white rock lights. Each rock light has 36 LEDs, and the lights are also IP68 waterproof. My 20-pod rock light setup is pretty easy. I have 3 rock light pods, each fender well. I have 2 rock light pods under the front bumper and 2 rock light pods under the rear bumper. Under the cabin, I have 4 rock light pods, 2 on the left side and 2 on the right side, for a grand total of 20 rock light pods, 720 LEDs, spaceship style, baby. If you're not glowing, you're not showing. It's time for the beast to take off. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. My underglow has its own custom switch. The bottom toggle switch is for my rock lights and the top push button switch is for my air horn. The rock light installation video is at the top right hand corner. I added my YouTube badge to the back window in chrome because my truck has a lot of chrome accents. This right here is my boss head unit with the 10-inch display. It's a single den. They have 2 versions. They have the BCP A10 and they have the BCP A10W. The W stands for wireless. It's relating to the way that you hook up your Android Auto or your Apple CarPlay from your phone. So I installed a new kicker speaker kit. It came with 2 5¼ rear speakers, 2 6x9 front speakers, and 2 3.5 dash speakers. The kicker speaker bundle video is in the top right hand corner. I installed 4 super tweeters to the top dash panel. The installation of the power acoustic super tweeters is in the top right hand corner. I also installed a JL custom fit fiberglass enclosure with a 10-inch W3V3 subwoofer. The installation video of the J.O.A.T.D Stealth fiberglass enclosure with the 10-inch W3V3 subwoofer is in the top right hand corner. The JBL 10-inch woofer is powered by a Kicker KX 400.1 amplifier. The installation video for the Kicker KX 400.1 D-Class monotone amplifier is in the top right hand corner. And it doesn't stop there. My internal speakers are powered with a Stinger MT 600.4 1000 watt 4-channel D-Class amplifier. The full installation for the Stinger MT 600.4 1000 watt RMS D-Class 4-channel amp is in the top right hand corner. I replaced the old lights in my instrument cluster with hyper white LED bright lights. I also replaced my climate control lights with hyper white LED bright lights. The installation video is in the top right hand corner. My cabin is lit with 24 6000K bright pure white LED lights. I don't have an installation video for it, but it's fairly easy. Alright guys, so that's it for my 2006 Dodge Ram 1500 with the 5.7 Hemi and all of its upgrades. If you have any questions about anything on this video, just leave a comment and I'll try to answer every question that I can. Any upgrade that was done to the truck in this video, there will be links to all the items in the description area. And guys, please like this video. It took me about a year to get this video together for you guys and I worked really hard on it. So please like and subscribe if you like the video. Alright guys, this is J.O.A.T.D and I'm out.